We are living in very exciting times. There is a massive wave of transformation in the field of energy and environment. As India grows, we are going to need more and more energy. We are going to need more and more mobility. But at the same time, we have to ensure that we don't create problems on climate, because climate change is a very major issue. So this situation presents extraordinary challenges and therefore extraordinary opportunities. We have to solve our own challenges. We have to solve our own challenges with technologies and science changes that we make on our own. Our solutions have to be developed by us. These solutions in the field of energy and mobility have to be born out of this land so that we can solve the problems that we have. The solutions cannot come at a very peripheral level. They have to come at the level of core sciences and technologies. The objective of the second IISER Pune and KPIT conference on energy and mobility is to draw out the best of the research that is happening in the country in the field of energy and mobility. Now, this conference is meant for the doctoral students, the postdoctoral students, the scientists, the faculty, for all of them to come and present the research that they are doing in this area. So the doctoral thesis over the last 12 months, which have been presented or which are likely to be presented up to 30th of September, is what we would like to hear at this conference. At this conference, we would also like to hear some of the international as well as national experts talk about the research areas that they are pursuing in the field of science and technology as it relates to energy and mobility. This conference, both IISER and KPIT intends to build as a signature event which can draw the scientists and the scientific talent in the country. In addition to the IISER Pune and KPIT conference, we also have at the same time KPIT Shodh Awards. These are the awards which are meant for the best PhD thesis in this area as well as the best posters in this area. The thesis or the posters can relate to a variety of science streams, all of which have an impact on energy and mobility. So we can very clearly think of material sciences, biosciences, biomaterials, artificial intelligence, new computational methodologies, etc., etc. So any field which can make the world a better place of energy and mobility is welcome. I would request you all to really see how you can participate in this. We are now unveiling a timetable as to when you can go ahead with registration, when you can go ahead with the submission of a broad outline of your thesis, as well as your posters. Last year was the first year. This year is the second year. We had extremely good response last year, and we are hoping that we will get even better response this year. I look forward to seeing you at the conference and at the Shodh Awards.